So we've moved the furniture out of the living room. You see, we just basically moved it into the kitchen. And I've got a little bit of the living room left that I need to put the schluter down on. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then we're going to hopefully tile 4 or 5 more rows in the living room today.
I'm ready. Okay, so far we have done.
That's what it says on the bucket.
Oh yeah. Ready? Let's do this! So we have laid 13 tiles
Today.
and in about an hour and 10 minutes. So we are absolutely like crushing this.
Yeah, we're cruising right now with both of us working. We've gotten into a really good flow and it's going way, way faster. When we first started, it was taking us over an hour and a half to do a half bucket, and now we're down to just over an hour. So we're
The
moving.
less cuts that we have, then it also makes it easier. So, you know, we're doing big rows and we're moving very quickly.
Yep.
Ooh, I like this consistency.
Yeah, I made it a little bit thinner. It was just getting too thick at the end of the last one.
So right now our method is that I fill the waffles. I kind of work in 3 tile sections at one time. One tile section is thick enough for you to do the lines. What's that called?
You use the square enough to drill.
Yes.
Comb the lines.
Then the second tile section, I fill to the same level. And then the third section, I fill the waffles. If I fill more than just the waffles and I make it that high, then it can start to dry out before you're ready. I think you can use this one.
Yeah, that's a good one to use.
I think the one directly behind your left shoulder we can do, but we need to turn it this way. Do you feel more experienced and less pressure about having them level than you did when we first started?
With the experience that I've gotten over the last couple months, I can work faster, and because I'm more confident that I know what I'm doing and I've done it a bunch of times. You know, with experience comes comfort and speed. Speed? I am speed.
That should be the title of this video. Because the first half is all time lapse. We have 3.5 rows left to finish in the living room, and they're about 12 tiles long. And we're gonna try to finish it in 2 sessions, which is a ton of tiling, but we're gonna try and do our best. It's 3.5 rows of tile this way. And then as we back up, you know, you have a little bit more here, and then it gets closer again. So this is probably about another 3.5 here, which I think we measured last night. And then we can move this table. And then right here, we have about 4 tiles to the wall. And then this one, I believe, is just 2. So we have a lot of tiling left to do. This is all ready. We're waiting for a tool to arrive so that we can change the blade on the tile saw. We have the blade. And then we'll bring the tile all the way up to the cement wall. And then the slate that we're putting on it will sit on top of it. Which way would you like to do it? Would you like to cut the tiny tile and then lay the big tile, or would you like to do it the other way?
No, we'll lay the full tile, we'll use the laser, and then we'll measure and cut.
Okay, sounds good. Is definitely not square.
Nope. But that's because the wall, the way that they have the corners and the bullnose pieces and how much joint compound they use to smooth out those joints. So all around the corners, the wall comes out like 1/8 of an inch further than it does in the middle of the wall.
We really don't have a lot of tiles left to do.
Now it's about 30 tiles.
I mean, at the rate that we're going with the help with the kids and everything, we are crushing it. We did it. 2.5 rows. Lots and lots of tile. Okay, one more day of tiling. We're gonna make a lot of cuts.
Yeah, but they're going to be, most of them are easy cuts because it'll just be lengthwise cuts down the tile for those, the same for those. So it's not like,
They're not complicated cuts.
like this one will be a corner cut, and that one will be a corner cut. It shouldn't be bad though.
We're almost done.
Almost.
Yay.
So Tara and I have been able to finish most of the living room in the last couple days. We've been able to work really quickly and efficiently together, and we laid way more tile than we thought we'd be able to at a time. So what we've got left now is just this last section here right by the wall and in front of the fireplace. And I'm gonna try and finish that today so we can be completely done tiling with phase 2. And then all I gotta do is grout, and then I can move on to putting the stone up on the fireplace. Living room tiling is done. Here's what I finished up today. It looks so good not seeing any of the orange Schluter anymore. I'm super excited for this to finish drying so that I can grout it and get to install the slate on the fireplace surround and the hearth. So Terry has not seen the new tile yet.
Oh, cool.
So I'm excited for her reaction. She's coming down now.
It looks good. Oh my goodness. Oh. It looks so good. Oh, I'm so happy it's done.
So we're done tiling in the living room.
Yay.
Thanks for your help getting all those rows of tiles down. It was very helpful to have you work with me on that.
Thank you.
And then I'm gonna let these last couple of rows of tile cure for probably 2 days before I grout. And I'm also waiting on the spindle wrench for my tile saw so I can swap that blade out with the blade that I need to use to cut the stone. So I can't start on the fireplace surround or the hearth yet because I'm still waiting for that tool to come in. It should be in hopefully this week, worst case next week. And then I can start on that.
Good job.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.